This is a box of junk I got from an online auction. It's one of those local online auctions where you bid online, but when the auction is over with, you go to a local pickup. So it's like open for 7 days, and then once you win, they take a couple days to send you an email, and then they take you a couple days to tell you when the pickup is. So it's been like a couple weeks, so I don't remember what's in this box, but I do remember it's a bunch of toys. I think it might be some dead stock, not for sure. So let's see what I got. So I got this robot, okay, and let's see. Minnie Mouse. Yeah, sorry, the bag's gonna crinkle. I'm sure some people are gonna be annoyed, but I haven't taken anything out of the box. I wanted it to be a surprise. So let's see. Oh my god, we have a really gross looking snow cone maker. That's pretty gross looking. And an old scary clown puppet. That might be worth something. That looks interesting. Let's see. An old cribbage game. No, not worth anything probably. Smoking Joe's Racing. I think there's cards in it. I have actually sold Camel cigarette lighters before, so I don't know. Maybe that's worth something. I don't know, some random toy. And a deck of playing cards. What is so special about these playing cards? Not for sure. A Toys R Us bag, an old Toys R Us bag, has a huge hole in it though. Toys R Us is not gonna be around much longer. Ooh, oh my goodness, what is this? Oh, I think I know what this is. This is a, oh my god, this is a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle, like, one of those, like, what do you call it? Like, boxing bags. Oh my god, I'm gonna totally blow this up and see if it still works. That is so cool. And apparently, it's a whole bunch of train track stuff that I really could care less about. Oh my god, I don't know anything about trains. I really don't. Why did I buy this? Oh my god. Here is a little miniature in the box. Okay, that's fine. Another train miniature. Here, these are. Oh, I don't like trains. Sorry, I know a lot of people like trains. It's just all I see is a lot of freaking work. Is what I see. Okay, another. Sounds like there's something in there. And then some railroad wire. Anything else in here? And just all kinds of stuff that I don't know what to do with. It's a whole bunch of stuff that I have no idea what to do with. Actually, it came with a couple other boxes. I was just going to do one box at a time, but I might add to this because this has only been 3 minutes. I just thought there was a little more than just this railroad stuff. So I will add to this video. I'm actually going to blow this up to see if it works and show you. And then honestly, I don't know what I'm going to do with this train stuff. Probably just maybe try to sell it locally to see if there's a train. I know there's a bunch of train people in St. Louis, so maybe someone in St. Louis will want it because this box is heavy. I'm not going to want to ship this. So anyway, I will go get another box and I will be back. Alright, these are more items from this auction. This auction was one of those, I think I mentioned in the first part, where you bid online and then you go to, once it's over with, they tell you where the spot is to go pick up your stuff. So we had bought a whole, so a lot of times you don't even know what you're buying because they don't show everything online. And we bought a bunch of like old stuffed animals and dolls just for this one particular doll. And we've already sold that doll. But I'm going to try to see if any of the rest are worth money. See my cat just coming in, checking everything out, and then leaving. Okay. I actually have a baby gate trying to keep him out. I'll show you real quick because I really don't want him upstairs. So this is my, let's see. Do you see that baby gate on the stairs with the cardboard? Oh yeah. See that cardboard falling off? We made it really high. It took him 3 tries to pull it down. So I gotta talk to Robert when he gets up because keeping the cat out from upstairs. So with the other 2 cats, the baby gate was enough to keep them out, but we had to put the cardboard up the other day because like right to the left where the gate opens, he was squeezing through. So now he jumps over it. I don't know what we're gonna do. I don't want him upstairs. I don't want it, because all my office stuff, I work up here. I don't want him getting into everything. He is a pain in the butt. Don't know what to do about him. So how do I keep him from coming upstairs? I don't know. So anyway, back to the hall. Oh my god, cat problems. Anyway, so look at this spooky, creepy monkey. So you're like, oh my god, that's disgusting. It's a little old looking, but I do the smell test. It drives my husband crazy. It does not smell at all, because trust me, getting like moldy, or not moldy, but you know how some vintage stuff has just that basement smell? It's hard to get that out. So I always try, if it smells too bad, I just throw it away. But this monkey actually will probably sell for at least 20 bucks. I know you're like, what? That's old and gross, but it's clean and it doesn't smell. It just happens to be well loved. And the thing is, you don't see these this much anymore because everyone just throws them away. Oh my god, I'm gonna take you downstairs, Ollie. I can't deal with you right now. And then, let's see, this is a really, really old Scotty Poodle plaid. Anybody need a cat? I'm just kidding. I love him. He's just a pain. And then, oh my god, look at this. This one's heavy duty. So, let's see. Yep, none of them smell, so I will definitely be trying to sell them. Look, twinsies. God, this one's really heavy. So why don't they don't have any tags on them. But a lot of the older ones didn't. Sometimes they'd have a tag on their neck, so I don't know. We'll see. I'll still get a little money out of it, I'm sure. Oh my god, look at this. Oh my god. His eyes are really, really spooky. So yeah, this one don't have tags either. Sorry, I'm looking at it and not showing it. So even though they look kind of scary and creepy and not a normal person wouldn't want them, but not, okay, I said that wrong. A child wouldn't want them, but a collector would want them. Trust me, there is a collector out there who wants these. So those are pretty cool. And then the rest of this stuff, it looks like I gotta wait. Let me pull this guy out. Oh my god, see, look at that. Oh yeah. That looks really cool. So the rest of these, I see they're a little dirty. I think I just threw the stuffed animals on top. I think this was, I'm going to take, oh my god, I don't even know if I'm going to sell these. They're dirty. Do I really want to clean them? Beauty and the Beast hand puppets. Oh wait, this shark. What's the shark from? Okay, I'm totally keeping the shark for me. What is this from? I don't know. Anybody remember this shark? I don't know, but that shark's for me. So, I don't know if this is, they're just dirty. I know I could clean them up. If they're only going for a couple bucks, I'm not going to clean them up. But if they're worth like 10 bucks, then I will clean them up. I need to look real quick. These are Lily and Pickle Time. These are Beauty and the Beast. I think these were like Pizza Hut hand puppets, right? And then what was this guy from? What is this guy from? He looks so familiar. There was a bat wearing glasses. Does it say? What does it say? What does that say? 1990 MTV Network. Something. It's not focusing. Something. Eureka's Castle. Okay, I'm gonna look that up. Because if they're worth something, then I will clean them. What is this? That's neat. I think that's from Eureka's Castle too. I gotta look that up. And then like this little flounder. I remember these were just like, do you remember the McDonald's toys I did a couple last month? I had bought 2 or 3 bins, and I think this was, and you couldn't keep the bins when you were there. So I had to like bring my own and like throw everything in. So that's why I think these are all from that. And so the reason they're dirty is because this guy had stored everything in his Amityville Horror garage. So they got very dirty. This looks like it was a water toy. I see a hole in his mouth. That I might clean up just because I like Disney stuff. So anyway, I'm gonna look that stuff up. I'm keeping this for sure. I'm cleaning this one up because I love shark stuff. Is there anything inside? No. So like I said, if these are going for like $10, I'll clean them up. If not, I'm just probably gonna throw them away because I don't know if I feel like cleaning stuff today. Don't know if I feel like cleaning stuff. I already made my money back on all that stuff. So it's probably wasteful for me throwing it away, but I'd have to clean it up if I wanted to donate it, because I don't donate dirty stuff. We'll see what I feel like this afternoon. Alright, this is another flat of dolls, toys from that same lot that I showed a minute ago. This was an auction where I bought it just for one doll that I've already sold, and I haven't even looked at the rest of these, so we're just going to sort them right now. You just never know with dolls. Sometimes they sell pretty quickly. These are all definitely older. Someone lost their shoe. This is a little Mexican doll. I'd say these are all like, well, I was gonna say older, but this is not that old. This is early 90s. This is Queen Amidala from Star Wars. I actually have this in the original box. So that's interesting. Was she? Yep. She's the one who lost her shoe. I'll put that over there so I can put her shoe back on. And this is the boy that goes with that girl. A random arm. Oh, this one's cute. A little pirate boy. I don't know if I had already pulled out like the name brand one. Like I said, I wish I would have taken a photo of it. I ended up getting like 60 bucks for it. That's why I bought everything. I think I ended up paying like 10 bucks for the whole lot. Oh, this one's cute. It's got ice skates on it. That's porcelain or ceramic or something. That one actually might be worth some money. This is an Indian doll. I love Indian dolls, but they're kind of like hard to sell on eBay. Not that they're hard to sell. Excuse me. People buy them up, but eBay, like when you use the word Indian in your title, there's like so many restrictions, and you get like prompt messages, error messages. You just got to word it right for eBay to allow it to be listed with the word Indian. And then, what is this one covered up? Oh my god, I have no idea what that is. She's like, this is plastic. But a different type of plastic. I don't know. That one is going to be interesting. So this is like a Vietnamese doll. Do a little research on that. All these I'm going to do a little research. This one is the only one I know that. So this was made in Japan. This is an older. Oh, it's going to have a little flaw. It'll still sell. These are rare plushes, or not that rare, but when they're made in Japan, you just know they're older. 60s, 70s, 50s, 60s, and 70s. So, very cute. And then this hat, I think, goes with this guy. And then these all, like, they're plastic. So the only one that is made out of a nice material is the skateboarding boy. The rest are just plastic. Just not necessarily a bad thing. People still buy plastic dolls. So interesting. And then this girl, she got a hairnet. Sometimes the dolls have like dates on the back of their neck. This one does not. Alright, she's got it on, there it is. It's on her back. 1972 Mattel. So that'll help when I'm researching to see what doll she is. Alright, just, you know, nothing like high dollar here, but like I said, I already pulled out the high dollar one, but I'll still list them all. Maybe. I forgot to put the shoe back on her. Maybe. So anyway, this is what I got. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you later.